Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and we're down in this crawl space that we are fixing that a builder did, and I'm going to show you one of the other things that they did wrong that you really need to make sure gets done when somebody encapsulates your crawl space. So let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, if you look at the insulation board right there, this insulation board runs from the ground all the way up to the sill plate. The issue with that is that there's no way for termite companies to actually inspect for termite damage. They need to see those termite mud tubes. So as you can see over here, we started removing that. There needs to be roughly a 3-inch, can be a little bit more, but at least 3-inch inspection gap on the top of the foam board. So we're going around currently getting that removed, and then we can put up the wall liner and everything and get that sealed. So anytime you're hiring a contractor to do crawl space encapsulation, make sure that you have a termite inspection gap, so companies like Active, who's on this one, can make sure that they can actually warranty the project after they do a termite treatment. That's all I got. Everybody have a wonderful day.